Welcome to this Amazon KDP niche research tutorial. In this video, I will quickly show you how to find winning niche ideas using Bookbolt. They have recently improved their product research module. I am under product research and they have included really amazing filters here that allow you to quickly find winning product ideas or niche ideas really fast. You can see under the advanced research, they have included the BSR feature. The minimum BSR and the maximum BSR I have set to 100,000. Then the average BSR I have set 1 to maximum as 200,000 and estimated sale minimum 30 per month. It means the book should sell 1 copy a day and maximum 5,000 sales per month. Then is the price range minimum $7 and the maximum $20. You can adjust all these filters as per your likings. Then is the rating 0 to 5 star ratings. Then is the review count. I set maximum review count to 50. So I am only looking for books that are selling and they have less number of reviews and they are making money at least 1 copy a day, and I am selecting this category. You can change any category here like journal, notebook, music sheets, calendar, planner, activity, puzzle book, comic book, guest book. So you can select any category and apply these filters and click on search and it will quickly show you various niche ideas. So before going into the niche ideas, let me show you something new. Over the past few months, I have been building this school community called the Digital Income Flow. Inside this community, you will have access to me via chat, ask questions, share your wins, and you can also do a general chat with other 59 members, including myself. So what's included in this? You can go to Classroom and here you can access the Digital Income Starter Pack. It includes complete Amazon KDP course for beginners and advanced publishers, very beginner tutorials like KDP code setup, KDP guidelines, trademarks, copyright, how to check for trademarks, trim size. I will also show you detailed tutorials on KDP niche research using free tools and some paid tools. You can learn a lot from tutorials as well. Under the book creation, I have given an overview, then the interior resources, all free resources and some paid resources. Then I showed an over-the-shoulder tutorial to create high quality book interiors using Canva. Then I also showed how to create high quality covers using Canva as well. You can also access to digital income module, which includes my free ebook called the 1 Hour Gumroad Guide, and also I have included the affiliate marketing module. Let's go back to our tutorial of KDP niche research. After applying all these filters, Bookbolt product search module is showing me these ideas. You can also select BSR range from high to low, BSR low to high, BSR high to low, average BSR high to low, and rating count low to high. Select any filter here. I am currently selecting BSR low to high. So this is the Advent Calendar Volume 2 Christmas Coloring Book, 25 bold and easy holiday designs. BSR is 6037. Average BSR is improving 3444 spots. Estimated sales are 423. Average BSR is 19,000. There are only 6 ratings here. Then is the Cozy Girl Christmas Coloring Book, cute and easy designs for adults and teens. BSR is 6,500. So you can see the estimated sales, average BSR and the rating 20 ratings. Large print autumn coloring book. You can see the BSR, estimated sales 75, calming, signed comment, scenic, Christmas escapes. These are all holiday season coloring books, ranking well on Amazon. Then is the NFL logos coloring book. You need to check for trademark and copyright before uploading any book. Arcade gamer. This is how you can find low competition niche ideas that sell, and you can take ideas and create a better book. So you can go and change the category and repeat the process by applying filters. Like you can go to notebook, keep these filter as is. Then you can do search. It will search for notebook ideas. These are the custom workbook for kids. Then is the colored paper. It was published in 2024. 26,000 BSR, 16,000 BSR, 33,500. Another cursive workbook, kids SK Zoo composition notebook, 43,000. Then is the 6-column ledger book. So you get the idea. You can try Bookbolt for free. You can get a 3-day free trial from Bookbolt by going to the link in the description below. And after the trial, if you want to subscribe, you can also get 20% off every single month by using the coupon code given in the description below. And don't forget to check out my community. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.